welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make cheddar parmesan potatoes. A great side dish for the holidays, or if you have a crowd over, something different. Okay, so let's get started. So we're going to melt our butter. Okay, so now we're going to add the flour. We're going to mix it up so it's smooth. Okay. I'm going to add our milk slowly. Mix this now until it gets a little thick. Okay, so I added the salt to the flour so it can cook in here. And I'll have the directions in my description. Okay, so that's thickening up already. Well, that looks beautiful. Okay, so now I'm going to add the cheese. That's cheddar cheese and the Parmesan cheese, and I'm going to stir that till it melts. Beautiful. Looks gorgeous. So it's all getting thick. Okay. So I'm going to put a cloth on this. Okay, this is about 5 to 6 medium potatoes. I'm going to stir it all in there. Stir this all in the potatoes. Excellent. Stir it all in there. Put in a 13 by 9 baking dish. I cook it at 350 for about 35 minutes. Okay, time for the topping. Breadcrumbs, butter, and you stir that together, and then we're going to top the potatoes with the mixture, the breadcrumb mixture, and throw it in the oven.